And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your standard bank account. Alright, so it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. First step, you wanna search for standard login. Once you search for standard login, it's gonna show you all this. Now, Standard Bank is a UK bank, so you need to keep that in mind, alright? So you need to choose online banking over here, and it's gonna take you to standard.co.uk. It's a UK bank, that's why it has .co.uk at the end. So I'm gonna click on online banking, and it's gonna take me to the online banking page of Standard Bank. So it might take a bit of time to load up, so wait for some time now. Now, once you're over here, you can choose your type of bank account you have. If you have a corporate, you wanna go on corporate. If you have a business, you wanna go on business. For personal, you wanna be on personal, alright? So I'm gonna go to personal real quick and enter my personal ID over here. After I enter my personal ID, I'm gonna enter my social security number, and then I'm gonna can log on. And if the personal ID and security number I entered over here is correct, then I should be able to log in into my Standard Bank's online banking account. Now this is for personal. For business, you have to go on business sector and type the detail it asks you. For corporate, you gotta go on corporate sector and enter the detail it asks you. Alright, so yeah, for different type of account, it's gonna ask for different details, so you need to keep that in mind. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your standard online banking account.